What's really going on, PEZ book fans? Josh the PEZ guy here. Do me a favor, leave me your questions, comments, concerns, any and everything down below. Now then. Tell them, Goofy. They are all the same but different. And we will show you the differences. Not because of variations, but because of this right here. Sun-faded damage. You couldn't see it. Is that really a white snout? Well, let's see. Looks different. Different colors as well. But when we turn them, you can see how the colors change. There is sun fading there and there. So sorry, not a white snout. We thought it was really cool looking. But when you see that little bit right there, that lets you know that was in the shadows a little bit. Nice red coloring there. It's funny though, is these cracks. Do you see the cracks there? Where's my point and stick? I don't have my point and stick. Right along there. There's another one. So they have that in common. But here's the good one. Nice coloring, even, all the way around. And the regular colored snout. Sorry, Goofy. You were not extra special, just sun-faded. Make sure you go to your skin doctor and get checked out for melanoma and all that other stuff. It really exists and it really kills people. Sorry to bring you down on a sad note, but remember, PEZ. So until next time...